Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinons YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to check the list of locally installed modules in Python. So let's get started. First things first, you need to head on to your command prompt, and before you check if there exists any Python modules, you need to first type in one small keyword to check that pip is installed. That is you just need to type pip and press enter. And as you can see, after I press that, it shows me the command pip as well as the common commands that I can use to freeze, and as well as the common commands I can use along with pip. So it shows that I can install modules, I can download packages, I can uninstall, as well as you can see here I can freeze, which means it will output all the installed packages, and this is what I'm looking for. And now let me just type in pip freeze and press enter. It will take some time, and as you can see, it shows all the locally installed modules that I have installed. For example, I've installed Flask, I've installed Django, I've installed many more modules, and all these are visible on my output window. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinons YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.